So very good afternoon students. In this video lecture we will see some numerical problems based on DC drives. So part 1 we will cover these numerical problems and now we'll come to second problem, and this the problem statement is there. A DC chopper is used to control the speed of a separately excited DC motor. The DC voltage is 220 volt, RA is equals to 0.2 ohm and motor constant KE5 is equals to 0.08 volt per RPM. The motor drives a constant load requiring an average armature current of 25 amperes. Determine range of speed control. The range of duty cycle, assume continuous conduction. Continuous conduction because we assume large inductance. So it is a continuous conduction. So first part, average output voltage of the motor. How we calculate average output voltage of the motor or terminal voltage? So terminal voltage is given VA is equals to EB plus IARA, because we know in DC motor EB is equals to back EMF V minus IARA. So by which we can calculate motor terminal voltage VA is equals to EB plus IARA. And here we use our DC chopper for controlling this separately excited DC motor speed. So in the constant load region. So this average armature current is given 25 amperes, and because of this DC chopper, which is the step down chopper, which reduce this voltage level so that our speed can be controlled easily. So this VA is equals to alpha VS. VS is the input DC input voltage supplied by the chopper. So this input terminal voltage at the DC motor terminal is alpha times of VS. VS is the input voltage to the chopper, and this VA is output voltage by this chopper. So the output of the chopper working as an input to the DC motor terminals, and this EB can be written further KE phi n K phi n. So KE phi n IARA. And in the problems, as the motor drives a constant load, so there is a constant current flowing through the armature, and so constant armature current, therefore torque is constant. So it is a constant torque region problem, and IA is 25 amperes. Minimum possible speed is 0. So this above expression alpha Vs is equals to K phi n plus IARA. So if we put this 220 volt in place of Vs, because input DC voltage is 220 volt to the chopper, so it is alpha times of 220 is equals to Ke phi given in the problem 0.08, 0.08, and minimal we have to find the range of speed control. So we assume minimum speed should be 0, then it is a minimum speed corresponding to this chopper operation. So if we put this speed to be minimum, say 0 rpm, so if we put n equals to 0 rpm and Ia to be given the problem, average current is 25 amperes and this Ra to be 0.2 ohm. So by this we can calculate the duty cycle of the this chopper, DC chopper. So it is calculated to be 0.0227. So this is a minimum speed range, and corresponding to this duty cycle is this one. And if we want to find the maximum possible speed, then it is possible when our chopper have the duty cycle alpha to be 1, because if the duty cycle is 1, then full DC input voltage is supplied to the DC motor terminals. So maximum possible speed corresponding to alpha is equals to 1, that is 220 volts is directly applied to the motor. Therefore the the range of duty cycle is 1. So directly we can see that alpha is equals to 1, then it is corresponding to maximum possible speed. So the range of duty cycle is finally 0.02, this 0.02227 to the 1. So this is the range of this speed control by this chopper operation. And second part of the problem, the range of duty cycle, this is we have earlier find the range of duty cycle is from 0.02 to 1. Now we, for this lowest value of duty cycle, minimum possible speed is 0 rpm, and maximum speed corresponding to this alpha is equals to 1. So now we will find the at alpha is equals to 1 the maximum speed. So this above expression alpha Vs equals to K phi n plus IARA, if we put alpha is equals to 1 in this expression and input DC voltage to the chopper is already known. It is 220 volt. So 1 into 220 is equals to 0.08 KE5 value into N plus 25 into 0.2. So by this expression, we will find the maximum speed, which is 2687.5 RPM. So the range of speed control is from N equals to 0 to this 2687.5. So minimum speed corresponding to minimum duty cycle and maximum speed corresponding to this maximum value of duty cycle. Now we will see the third problem. So it's the third problem. A 230 volt 1100 rpm 220 ampere separately excited DC motor has an armature resistance of 0.02 ohm. The motor is fed from a chopper which provides both motoring and braking operations. So both motoring and braking operations calculate the duty ratio of the chopper for motoring operation at rated torque and 400 rpm. And second one is the maximum permissible motor speed obtainable without field weakening if the maximum duty ratio of the chopper is limited to 0.9 and the maximum permissible motor current is twice the rated current. So here the rated torque condition and here the rated current is just twice the maximum possible motor current is twice the rated current. These are conditions applied for the problem statement. So we have to find the duty ratio for motoring operation, the part 1. So in the motoring operation, first of all, we find the from this given parameter back EMF generated by the motor. So VA minus IARA. So VA given 230 volt and minus IARA is also given. IA to be this 220 amperes. RA is 0.02 because it is separately excited motor. And a back EMF is 225.6 and EB2 at 400 RPM. So now we will find, according to problem statement 1, we have to find this duty ratio at the 400 RPM. So we find the back EMF corresponding to 400 RPM. So we will calculate it to be EB2 by this relation. N is proportional to EB upon phi. Phi is constant due to separately excited motor. So EB2 calculated to be 82.036 volt corresponding to this 400 RPM. Now we will calculate the motor terminal voltage corresponding to this back EMF, which is E is equals to EB plus IARA. So this EB is 82.036 plus IARA. By this relation, we will calculate the terminal voltage corresponding to this new value of back EMF. And this is the duty ratio expression. VA2 is equals to alpha times of VA1 according to this step down chopper. So this step down chopper just control the speed from 1100 rpm to 400 rpm by reducing the voltage level from 230 to 86.436 volts. By this expression, we will calculate the new value of duty cycle. It is obtained to be 0.375 volt. So this is a motoring operation and the duty ratio is obtained to be 0.375. Now the second mode of operation, it is a field weakening operation. So here maximum duty ratio of the chopper is already given 0.9 and the current is twice the rated current. So as the duty ratio is already given, so what we will do, we apply simply formula VA3 is equals to alpha VS. VS is 230 given and alpha is 0.9. So by this relation, we will calculate the terminal voltage 207 volt. Now we have VA3, IA3 and RA. Now we calculate the back EMF. So back EMF is VA3 207 plus IA. IA is 2 times of 220 amperes. Why? Because given in the problem is that the motor takes current twice the rated current. So twice into 220 amperes into 0.02. So EB3 calculated to be 215.8. Now we will calculate speed corresponding to this EB3. So we simply apply the formula N is proportional to EB upon phi. By this relation, we will calculate the speed corresponding to this new value of back EMF, which is obtained to be 1052.216 RPM. So in this way, we will see some of the numerical problem based on these DC drives. We will continue this numerical problems further in the next upcoming lectures. Thank you.